How do I reinstate my license and car insurance after a suspension? If you find yourself asking how to reinstate your license and car insurance after a suspension, you are not alone. Many people face this situation, and it can feel overwhelming. Let's break down the steps you need to take to get back on the road legally and safely. First, you need to understand why your license was suspended. This could be due to unpaid fines, court orders, or even requirements like completing a defensive driving course. Each state has its own rules, so check the specifics for your situation. Next, you must fulfill all legal and administrative requirements. This means paying any outstanding fines or fees and completing any necessary programs. Only after you meet these conditions can you move forward with reinstatement. Now, let's talk about your car insurance. Keeping continuous coverage during your suspension is important. If your insurance was canceled because of the suspension or non-payment, reach out to your insurance company. They may allow you to reinstate your policy within a limited time frame, usually around 30 days, if no claims were made during the lapse. Be prepared to pay any outstanding premiums and possibly a reinstatement fee. In many states, you will need to file a Senior 22 form, which is a certificate from your insurance company. This form proves that you have the minimum required liability coverage. Your insurer must submit this form to the Department of Motor Vehicles, as you cannot do it yourself. The Senior 22 is typically required for a specific period, depending on your state laws and the reason for your suspension. Once you have your proof of insurance, gather all necessary documentation for the Department of Motor Vehicles. This includes proof of identity, proof of residency, and any court clearance documents. You can often submit these documents online, by phone, or in person at a DMV office. Don't forget about the reinstatement fees. Most states requiring you to pay these fees before your driving privileges are restored. The amount can vary, so check with your local DMV for specifics. After submitting everything, be prepared to wait for confirmation. Processing times can range from a few days to several weeks. Keep records of all your payments and submissions. Once your reinstatement is approved, you will receive confirmation that your license is back in good standing. If you are in a situation where you need to drive but cannot get a full license right away, check if you qualify for a restricted or hardship license. This type of license allows limited driving privileges, such as commuting to work or school. You will still need insurance coverage for these licenses. Reinstating your license and car insurance after a suspension involves understanding your specific situation, fulfilling legal requirements, maintaining insurance, and submitting necessary documents. By following these steps, you can navigate the process more smoothly and get back to driving legally. Always remember to check your state's specific requirements, as they can differ significantly.